Hi guys, today we're talking about some very important Ethena Injective updates as well as a very profitable but degen play on Solana near the end of the video, so make sure to stick till the end. Also, if you're curious how to make the most out of 2024, whether it's crypto airdrops, DeFi in general, you can definitely consider joining our private Discord where we have a community of over 500 people that are all together helping each other and sharing valuable alpha for more than a year now. One very important news regarding Pryzm, if you are delegating in their injective validator, you should consider redelegating immediately because as you can see on MintScan, their validator does not have 100% uptime anymore, which means that their rewards are getting slashed. And this is real-time information, so if you don't want your rewards for Cosmos injective ecosystem staking slashed, if you're delegating with Pryzm, consider changing that as soon as possible. Also, we have some really quick updates regarding Dojo. So their snapshot for the second allocation of tokens has been taken. So if you're participating in Dojo swap campaigns, if you have provided liquidity in the Dojo and Sushi pairs, you can start claiming your airdrops on their official website as soon as in a couple days from making of this video. Now, absolutely biggest news for today is the launch of Injective EVM, which means that Injective is the first Layer 1 blockchain in the world now that has successfully combined the interoperability of Cosmos, the speed of Solana, and developer access of Ethereum. As we know, most developers are still on Ethereum. But as airdrop hunters, this is the incredible news because look at the technology that we have regarding this infrastructure. We have the interoperability layer of Hyperlane, we have the use of omnichain dApps through layer 0, and we have Celestia as data availability, and you have Pyth for Oracle services in Injective EVM. 4 of the best airdrops in the world currently use this infrastructure. Actually crazy. Also, you can use the dApps for this. There are not many, but there are some of the better ones, such as TimeSwap or Tetanus. They have raised over $200 million collectively from the likes of Polychain Capital, Delphi Digital, and others. To get started with this, you simply import your Injective wallet into MetaMask. So you would import, for example, Kepler. You have to get your seed phrase, you confirm your password, and then make some connections, and then you are good to go. This is a topic for another video, and if you're interested how to get this sorted, we can let me know in the comments below and in the Discord. Today, we'll focus on Ethena and Injective integration. This was just a bit of a prologue. Now, before we explore this new integration, let us remember what Ethena does. Santiago has already made a great guide on this project. So in short, you can mint your USDE stablecoin and generate shards, which will be available in May or as TVL approaches 1 billion. You can also stake your USDE for crazy stablecoin yield of 67%, but you can generate more shards if you simply lock up your tokens in their LPs. Now you can do the same thing, exact same thing, but instead of paying $50 to $100 for Ethereum gas, you will be able to do that on Injective using some dApp such as Helix, which is the biggest DEX on Injective. So how this would work, from March 6th, you can already buy USDE with USDT on Injective, but from March 11th, you will actually be able to start generating shards because you can import your Kepler into MetaMask. So if you want to get your USD on Injective, you simply go to Helix app and you fund it with USDT and you buy USDT utilizing Injective Kepler wallet. And then you import your wallet in MetaMask to generate shards on Ethena. Lastly, for Injective, before we jump into Solana degeneracy, is Filament Finance. So they're launching a testnet in mid-March, and if you're an Injective staker, you could potentially participate. Now, usually I'm not really big on testnets, but the only way that testnets should ever be done is like this. Very exclusive, very limited spots. As you can see, the Injective stakers are already filled, but if you can catch your spot when they increase the limits in a couple days, this could be one of those 4-figure testnet airdrops that we have not seen in ages. Now, let's see what's cooking on Solana. We have this crazy thing called Sol Chat, which is basically they're trying to be a Telegram on blockchain, decentralized Telegram, and you can basically use blockchain to call your friends, text, and that kind of stuff. Product is functional. You can pay a couple dollars to set it all up because you have to pay Solana gas. Yes, crazy. And the most important thing is their token is performing pretty all right. But guys, this is the juice, this is the sauce. You have on Orca, you have chat sol pair that is giving you 4.6% yield daily in a pretty huge range, actually, which is absurd. So you can choose either full range or custom range, depending on your risk appetite. But even if you put something completely reasonable, such as perhaps 32, 42% pairs, 4% daily. Absolutely crazy. Now, how you know that the bull market is starting when you have these degen Ponzi yield farming popping left, right, and center. Before I start making this video, I've deposited some test amount and let's see how it's doing. Jesus Christ. So if my math is correct, this is like 3.6% yield on in like 2 hours. Oh my God. This is super risky, but if you are want to really really explore DeFi and find these crazy strategies, then you can have some fun with this and see how it goes. Again, the liquidity is there. Orca is a reputable platform. They have about million in volume in just 24 hours. So numbers add up. But again, super risky, super degen. If you like this kind of strategies, you can always consider exploring these strategies with us in Discord. We are always sharing crazy alpha and we made a lot of money in 2023 and 2024. But again, quality information is priceless, yet we've managed to put a price on it at just $150 a year for both Discord and app. If you're serious in crypto, this is a place you can definitely consider joining. Now have an amazing bull market start, and till next time, have an amazing day.